So this is a vacuum cleaner you guys have probably not seen since like January, which is pretty crazy. But this machine's been fully repaired now, completely done. So I just finished restoring it, and now I'm gonna admit it's not totally done, but it's mostly done. So the only thing that I don't have in it at the moment is a filter down there, but I'm sure it'll be fine to run because it's already got a filter in there, so I think we'll be okay. But this is Bissell Powerglide bagged pet, the super rare one. That's a Velocity, basically, but it's just a different name. Again, I don't know if the Velocities has a core rewind. I think they did, but they might not have. I might be wrong on that. But if they didn't, this one does have a core rewind. I'm pretty sure this is very rare. I shouldn't say very rare. I'm going to be honest. I'm pretty sure this is uncommon. Leaning towards rare, but I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I could be totally off on that. But the only pictures I can find online are the stock photos from Bissell. Like, all I can find were like the pictures that would have been online when you wanted to order this thing online, and I can find the instructions. That is it. I can't find anything else. I can't find a single picture of this vacuum that isn't stock. So that's pretty unusual. But then again, I have that Powerline Eureka I can't find a single photo of. I can't even find a stock photo of that, so it's a little weird. I can find pictures of the Powerline series. I can't find the specific one I have. Anyways, just quick little overview of this. There'll be a full review on this because this thing is so fucking weird. But it's got this is the bottom here, and you see it's just a 15-inch. It's pretty plain. Some other models would have had like 12 amp and it would have been all fancy, but this one's pretty plain. The main issue with this was the brush roll was seized up. So I have a scrap Bissell lift off. So I just swapped the brush. And it works fine. That Bissell lift off is just like one that I have for parts. But it runs good. I use the canister part to clean out other vacuums, but the main base part I'm not using because there's like missing screws and stuff. So I don't really mind. But this brush roll came out of that and it fits perfectly. Thought it might be a little too wide, but because this is a power track brush roll and this isn't a power track base, but it fit. So that's completely fine. It's got the high adjustment wheels, which is kind of surprising. Doesn't have a headlight. Oh, that just came off. If we unwind this again, see, we have a Febreze bag in there, and then there's a filter at the bottom. This is all been washed out, but I have used it, so there is dust on the top. That just happens when you use this. And it's disgusting back there, too. I haven't stripped this down and thrown it in the tub, and sorry about that. I might consider doing that, but, I mean, I might not, because I don't really feel like it. But, it's complete. So we have crevice tool and extension wand on the side. This isn't a venti crevice tool. And we have a stretch hose, which isn't clear. I don't know if the Queen View Helix would have had a clear stretch hose. It might not have. And then on the back, I had to add this, unfortunately, but it's got a combo tool. And then we have a cord rewind. Cord rewind pedal is right there. It seems to work okay. And we just look at this. And then we have, that's your rating sticker. This is a 2013, I believe. I don't know what week or day or year or whatever. No, I do know the year 2013, but I don't know the week or the day. Or the month or whatever. And then on the side here we got a filter, HEPA filter. This is disgusting. That's really bad. Tons of carbon dust. So, again, that needs to be replaced. So it needs 2 new filters, except the one in the bottom of the canister is actually in like perfect condition. And I'm not even going to bother with that just because I will never be able to find it. I can barely find bags for this, so I'm not going to bother trying to find a filter there. But the one in the bottom, like the one here, I can easily find, and this is just a basic HEPA filter. Yeah, otherwise, up top we have the Turbo Eraser Pet. I haven't even done anything to this, but it was in perfect condition, so it didn't need anything done to it. And yeah, I believe that's the entire machine. I don't think I'm missing anything. Again, there'll be a full review like after I use it. This has just been fixed up, so I wanted to do like an update video on it. Anyway, with further ado, let's run this. It's a little bit vibraty though, unfortunately, the brush roll, but I don't really mind. So yeah, that's this Bissell. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!